I can't believe I'm making a video for this. The topics that are on the pre-calculus test 1 consist of chapter 1, which we talked about, which is linear functions and change. It's the first test, man. It covers the stuff since the beginning. So the first stuff we talked about was linear functions and rate of change. The second stuff we talked about was functions, right? So I expect you guys to be able to tell me what a domain and a range are, how that relates to inputs and outputs. I expect you to be able to draw those bubble diagrams, right? And so that brings us to chapter 10-ish, which is composition of functions, invertibility, and combinations. So I expect you to be able to draw a bubble diagram, right, for a composed function. Maybe find an inverse from a bubble diagram. That would be good. If you could find inverses using the formulas too, that would also be good. Yes? Then we did shifting and transformations. So you should have memorized your shifting rules. Yes? Like,
yes.
Before the rule, adding is, is backwards because it's before the rule, and then it's a shift left.
It's kind of funny because I put myself in your position and you go to the right, so it's our left.
Okay, so you should know your shifting rules, and then you should also, let's see, chapter 3 is quadratics and parabolas. So you should know your forms for quadratics. You should have some tricks for moving them back and forth and to which one. And then you should also know where the vertex is.
In every one of those forms. Know how to derive the vertex.
So you should know how to find the vertex in some one of those forms and know how to switch them all around.
And
so I would, for the vertex thing, hang on. And then chapter 4 is exponentials, and so I expect you to know some things about exponentials. Specifically, you should know how modeling, word problems work. Cool?
Yeah.
So to answer your... Cool. Check? Questions?
chapter 4 is the last one.
Chapter 4 is the last one. So that's in sum, that's chapters 1, 2, 4, 6, and 10.
You said chapter
Shit. 1 through 4, 6, and 10. Like I said the first time. The video will show that I said. But even if I have to splice it together.